welcome back to Homemaking with Mima, and if you are new here, my name is Wendy. Today's video is going to be, I'm going to be canning up chili base, and I'm going to bring you along with me.
All right, so my chili is done differently pretty much all the time. However, there are some staples. I always try to use onion and green pepper, but this time I'm using the sweet pepper, because that's what I had. I always use petite diced tomatoes, tomato soup, tomato sauce, a little bit of tomato paste, the chili seasoning, and this is the first time I'm using the beef broth just to make it a little bit thinner for when I can the base. All right, and here I go. So what I am making is chili base, and I'm going to be canning it. I'm going to be leaving out the beans. That's the only thing I'm going to be leaving out, and probably some extra tomato sauce and that when it does come time to make the chili. And so that is what I am doing today.
right, friends, I got the chili base done. I got 5 quarts of chili base. This one is the older one. We have to eat this one first. And what chili base consists of, it's the meat, the tomato product, peppers, onions, if I have them, and then I can that. Come time to make the chili, then I grab myself some kidney beans, and then I make chili out of it that way. Doing it this way helps me make a better product in my eyes, and I can get more done. I can get more in a jar. Now, when you can with the beans as well to make chili, you're not supposed to put as much product in there. Okay, so that's the issue that you come to when you're canning it. So I've seen others do this as well. They make a chili base and then they separately add the beans to it when it comes time to make chili. Okay, that took me forever to try to explain. I want to thank you folks so much for joining me today. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel, give my videos a thumbs up, and I want you to make it a great day.